Hello everyone. Here I'm going to present to you regression analysis. Actually, I'm going to present to you a simple regression analysis that involves only two variables. An objective of the regression analysis, in this case, simple linear regression analysis, is estimating the linear relationship between two variables. And in this case, one is an independent variable and other is a dependent variable. And the way this is done is by using a linear equation. Y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1x. And y is the dependent variable, and beta 0 is the intercept of the line, and beta 1 is the slope. I think we will be better off if we just take an example and walk you through how it is done. Okay, here is a question on regression analysis. Let me make it a little bigger. Okay, here. The researchers investigated the effect of tablet surface area to volume on the rate at which the drug is released in a controlled release dose. So that means we want to see the effect of this on the drug release. So this is the variable x, independent variable, and that is the dependent variable. Okay. So first thing to do, let me export the data to an Excel page, and I click that window, and then I export it but in a space delimited copy. So I click on that one. Now it is gone to Excel. I say okay, okay. Okay, now I exported the data. The data looks like this. This is my independent variable, and that is my dependent variable. So I'm going to use the data analysis tool, data, and then this is the data analysis tool. I'm sure some of you are going to have a question regarding the data analysis tool. If you don't see the data analysis tool in your Excel page, I'm going to have another presentation in which I'm going to show you how to activate it. Okay. So in the data analysis tool, there are various options. You're going to choose the regression analysis option. So let me just expand it a little bit so that you can see it clearly. Okay. So where the regression analysis, I scroll down the window. Here the regression analysis. Regression, I say okay. All right. So now it is asking me for the y range. So this is my y range. Now I click here for the x range. Highlight the x range. And then I click on the output button. And then I click here. And then I just click on the cell where I want to see the output. I say okay. Here is my output. Okay, so this gives me the complete analysis of the regression that I'm trying to do here. Okay, now see here, the beta 0, estimate of the beta 0 is down here. This is negative 1.444, etc. And the beta 1 is 43.87. So I have these two estimates. Okay, now you can see the side-by-side my Excel page and my MATLAB questions here. So I'm going to enter the value of the B0, beta 0 hat and beta 1 hat. Beta 0 hat is negative 1.44, two decimal place, yeah, 44. And then this is 43.87. Okay, so this is my model. Y hat equal to negative 1.44 and plus 43.87x. Okay, so I check my answer. Fantastic. Okay, good. So now next question. Interpret the estimates of beta 0 and beta 1. Continue. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Beta 0 is the average drug release rate. No, it is not. Because if you look at the model, beta 0 is basically when x equal to 0, the value of y hat is beta 0. Beta 0 is the drug release rate when the surface area of the volume is 0. Mathematically, that makes sense. Yes, that is the correct answer mathematically. However, you have to look at the realistic side of it. Realistic side of it is that when x is equal to 0, this actually doesn't mean anything. So you can say that it has no practical meaning. That is the correct answer. Mathematically, that answer is correct because that is the definition of intercept. That is the value of y when x is equal to 0. However, there is no practical meaning of it. Let's check. Good. Okay. Next, continue. Okay, choose the correct answer to interpret the beta 1. Beta 1, look at this. Beta 1 is the slope. Slope is what? The rate of change of y with respect to x. So y is the drug release. So the rate of change of drug release with the rate of change with respect to the area in the volume. So amount of change, beta 0 is the amount that the drug release rate changes for each unit increase in the surface area volume. So this is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. Check. Yes. Okay, continue. Okay, predict the drug release rate for the tablet. The surface area volume is 1.67. So this value is given. So if this value is given, I can use this as my intercept and this as my slope. So my estimated value is going to be, the x value is 1.67. So I'm going to just put it in this equation. So I'm going to say equal to, the value is equal to intercept plus slope times 1.67. Okay, did you get that? So this is my model. This is my intercept, which is negative 1.44 plus beta 1, which is 43.87 times x. X value is given 1.67. Enter. 71.82. So I'm going to write down here 71.82. Check answer. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Now, look at this. 1.67 is out of the range, right? So it has a questionable integrity. So reliability of the estimate of the part C is in question because the value of x 1.76 is outside the observed range of x, right? Outside the observed range of x. So check. Yes. Okay, anything else? No. I think that is it. That takes care of this regression analysis question. Okay, there are many other questions related to the regression analysis. We can discuss those in a different presentations. Okay, thank you. Bye.